at the front left corner and work ourselves around here. Got a bunch of stuff going on with this roof. And lifting and mechanical and hail. So that's, as you can see over there, there's standing water. We'll just pan over it real quick just so you can see it. When I stepped right there, is the water. See all the water I'm standing in right now. We got hail hits all over this thing. Every time I step on this decking, it feels like it's wet all the way through. I don't want to step on it too much. Find this hole in this one.